Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can use your own face in Leonardo AI. So, this is really great for creating personalized avatars, AI portraits, or even profile images. And yeah, make sure that you're using a high quality image and the full version for all AI features. So, the first thing that you will have to do once you're on your homepage is you will just have to click image, which is right here on your left panel, and you will just have to wait for it to load. It might take a while. It really depends on your internet connection. So once you're here, what you will have to do is you will look for so since I'm currently on a free plan, I won't be able to actually generate or upload my own picture. But if you do have one, what you will basically have to do is you will just have to look for the upload feature, upload picture, and then what you will have to do after clicking it is you will just have to upload your photo and make sure that it's clear and front facing image of your face, and then you will just have to choose the AI model that you want to apply. So it could be creative, dynamic fashion portrait. So yeah, it really or for the model you could choose from this. So yeah, it really depends on you, honestly. And yeah, there are a lot of that you could choose from. And of course, you do have to make sure to explore the website more so that you will be able to actually maximize all of its features. And yeah, what you will basically have to do after you've chosen your AI model. So for example, you've chosen your AI model, which is either cartoon, realistic, fantasy, but it really depends on the version that you have. Um, some versions do not have these choices, but if you do have it, then you could just choose from those. And of course, you will just have to adjust the settings like the lighting, the background, and style. And Leonardo AI will generate multiple versions, and then you will just have to preview all generated images and select your favorite and edit further if needed using the canvas editor. Change colors, add effects, or add text, and then you will just have to export the final image in your preferred format. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you, and have an awesome day.